Alright, yo, welcome back to the General Podcast. So today we have a new freestyle, well, not really new, coming from June 2nd to 2022. We have Cadabra Freestyle number few. You see me? So we're going to check it out, and if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I'll give my honest opinion on it. Well, Abra Cadabra never disappoint me, so. And I've heard the track before, but I haven't listened to it, like, sit down and listen to it keenly. So we're going to try to listen to it today. See me? So, make us try and see what this song sound like. Here we go.
Yeah. Look, I've been through the pain and the suffering. Sure. That's why I thank God for the paper and hustling. Don't like the fame of the hustling. No. 3-8 tucked in my boxers, them time, that's what I call getting muscling. Yeah. Love chat on the net, but it's silent sprints when the hunting on shotgun shot. Bro, this shoes when the hunting's rubbing them. Tell me, which one of them one test again? Alright,
first thing first, the intro alone. You just have to listen to the entire song. You see me? Now, Abra Cadabra have great intros. That's the first thing we can say. And if you know, like, him daily dopey freestyle them always have great intro. Alright? So far so good.
Everything's spread in it. I remember that day when I tried hit 10 of them. That day we took chase on the Fed and then went round there a couple days later. Help me out, I'm losing myself. I pray to God and I can help me out. I'm trying now. I can see I'm losing myself. I swear I'm losing myself. I pray to God and ask you hold me down. I pray to God and ask you hold me down. And feel the hair is growing now. I'm losing myself. Losing myself. Whoa. This life is a cycle I'm stuck in it. I got gunshots from my rivals.
I like that the lifestyle I'm stuck in it. I got gunshot from my rivals. That you see, the small things that make me kind of, you know, like when I listen to a song, there's like a small detail them put in a song, you know. It's, yeah. Man tell him stabbing up niggas, him don't televise it. You see me? So that means him doing things silently and deadly.
We don't terrorize it. When the text rising, all hell's rising. That's why I get a chest up. From a block of gunman turned rich niggas. All the fucking fuck. Bust my gun even when I had 6 figures. We was bad but we never had sticks with us. Back my flick sack counting. Dip you up. Man, your man come in this.
So if you don't know, the UK is mainly known for stabbing up people. You see me? UK have very, very strict gun laws and stuff like that. So, yeah. So majority of the song I'm going to hear from the UK, you're going to hear about Shank. And Shank is somebody stabbing somebody, if you never know. So, yeah.
I ain't never walk street with an empty machine, every clip penciling around me full. I ain't doing no war with a heat on it. I don't respond to man on Insta, but I pull up. No, when I pull up, yeah.
One thing I do with war on internet, if you want war, just pull up. I'm telling you, say, yo, lyrically, I feel like lyrically and voice-wise, I think Abra Cadabra is one of the best out of the UK. You get me? You have man like Central C, Fredo, who is good just the same, Dave, and this goes on and on. You see me? But really and truly, if you hear shaking on my dog, I shake up him just beat. But really and truly, Abra Cadabra, like, him have a unique style, unique flow, and he's also a very lyrical person. So far the song is what, 2 minutes and 9 seconds, and me really enjoy the song so far. And whoever made this beat is freaking sick.
The whole world seeing my invitation. And I come to and leave my faceless. I don't want witness statements. I don't say I've stopped on the offbeat flick when I was the flick before offbeat. I can never take chat from a wannabe. Flick shank days, I was bad in my wannabe. They might talk on the net, but never in front of me. Any drill that I done properly. So I hate when the police bother me. Why they try and keep stopping me? I really live this life. I got done up to my time. I ain't never been shy to jump in the ride. Put on my mask and slide with the guys. Kush pulled up and it's brilliant timing. Yeah, my niggas like, yo, who's sliding? Grab the machine and fill it with bite if they show it inside and who's outside. Smooth thing with the whistles a 2.5 and a grand power goes boom bye bye.
Yo, me tell you the man, body, yo, this man never miss not even one beat. Yo, the man just always, yo, like, I feel like this man recite him thing a million times before him actually put it out, yo.
We're gonna get a 3.5 now, we buy a machine like a parent now. Some niggas really do live this life, you know. Back machine and air is yeah. Back machine and air on guys. Hope the doctors get there in time, you could lose your life.
Yo, yo, the man say him not back him gun. So basically when I say him not back him gun, just back gun and say boy I have a gun. Basically I say if him pull it, you go dead. You see me? And man so hope the doctor them get there on time because them can probably save your life. Boom buckle.
Woman does creep up, 9mm stuffed in the heater. Keep it ready with your friends wherever you keep up. From the belly to the forward, we hitting knees. I didn't cut when I bust, now my whole team's up. I was broke, now I'm richer than my old teacher. No one's losing there, no alopecia. And they said we just rap, must be amnesia. Know the thing. Rappers and fucking slappers, don't get it twisted. Fuck a statement, man. Leave behind bodies and spent showcases. Still on the front line, raising the gun crack. No. Not a fucking vibe.
Alright, yo, that was the end of the song. But overall, me get the song based upon, lyrics, flow, but I get a 10 out of 10. Video, you probably can't really judge the video or grade the video because basically you can tell, him just spit facts or him just stand up and, him guys him around him in a mask, hoodies and all that type of shit. So the video, do I think he could have done better with the video? Yes, but overall the song bad. And I think the video kind of match with the song because it's a very slow vibe, lyrical, type of song. So I think the video kind of coincides with it. So me now gonna say yo, I'm gonna kill the video that bad. But the video bad, song bad, and me eat a 10 out of 10. You see me? Comment down below, let me know what you think about the song. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Jenna One Podcast. You don't know.